Hi there everyone, and thank you so much for joining me back on my channel. In this video, again I'm participating in a collaboration, but this one isn't fall related. This collaboration is an open invite that is hosted by Elle from Easy Living with Elle. If you're not familiar with the channel, please check my description box below for the link to her channel, and make sure you go over to her channel and show her some love and support. Elle has asked us to create a tablescape that is inspired by a country that we like, love, or have visited, or any of that kind. So it's called the Tablescape Around the World Challenge, and I had so much fun doing this collaboration, because it definitely made you think about this tablescape. So I knew immediately, of course, what I was going to do, and then it was figuring out what I'm going to use. And just to give you a bit of information, in all of my videos, actually, yeah, most of them, but I can fairly say all of them, I am just using the stuff I already have. So I'm always shopping my own home. And every now and then I might purchase something specific for a challenge, but most of the time I have already have everything I have in my house. So for this challenge, that's the same. I just shopped my home for what I had, and I came up with this tablescape. Well, my tablescape is not inspired by a country. It is inspired by a continent. And it's the continent of Africa. Yes. So if you want to see my tablescape and yes, how Africa has inspired me to make this tablescape, then please keep on watching. So if you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. I would really love it if you would consider hitting that subscribe button and joining me on my channel. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the description box below what you think. So let's get over to the tablescape. I'm starting with a clean and clear table where I'm putting a runner that my mom made for me, as well as the leopard print placemats. My chargers and my plates I thrifted. The chargers I paid 50 cents each, and the plates I paid €1 each. Then I'm adding these 3 brass candle holders that I thrifted. I paid €6 for all 3 of them. Now I'm adding some decorative pieces to the table. My gold coasters were also thrifted. For a set of 6 I paid €1, and my wine glasses were very inexpensive. I paid €1 for all 4. My napkins and the napkin rings I bought new in the store. Then my cutlery, I had a DIY with burlap cutlery holder, and I'm adding some more decorative pieces like the artichoke candle holders that were also thrifted. I paid €2 or €2.50 each. So this is my Africa inspired tablescape. I am really loving the outcome of this project. So I am going to let you enjoy the rest of this tablescape. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, then I would really love it if you would consider hitting that subscribe button and join me on my journey. I would really like to thank Elle so much again for hosting this wonderful collab. Elle, it was amazing, and it was a very good idea to do something like this. I hope you will come up with another challenge really soon. Thank you for hosting. I really had so much fun doing this. So everyone, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again in my next video really soon. Have a blessed day. Bye.